Hello and welcome to the pregame. It's day 20 and all of that stuff. Well, after that red day yesterday, I guess everything just kind of crumbled. So now I got to clean that up. Nobody else is going to do it. Day trading is risky, so learn a strategy like mine and practice in a simulator before you put real money on the line. And thank you for joining me here at Eva Trades. In this video, you'll be watching me place trades in the simulator. Now, very soon I'll be trading real money and live streaming every weekday. I'll be making an announcement likely in the coming week for the start date, so stay tuned for that. For now, it's the simulator. And it is September 19th at 6:25. We have 5 minutes to go till the market opens. And over here is a look at my progress. That's not it. Here's my progress. In 19 days, I gave back $405 yesterday. So we'll see if today I can make that back and get that trading room cleaned up, because that's a mess. Maybe I'll get Mario in there. Mario said he's going to make an appearance, so, one of these mornings he's going to be right there on that startup screen, waving at everybody. We'll see, as long as Koopa doesn't show up. Oh, man. So here's a look at our gap scan this morning. While you look at that, I've got to set up some margin parameters down here. I forgot to do that. I try to do it before I start the video, and I just kind of spaced that out a bit. Look at the candle ranges here on this stock. So this is BCAN, that was at the top of the gap scan, gapping up 292%. So this is a lot better than yesterday's, where yesterday I think the leading gapper was up 18%. High red volume on that 5-minute candle, but these ranges, $2, $2.50, even on the 1 minute, you get some pretty wide ranges. So I'm going to set my stop loss at $1.50 below my entry, so that if I take a trade, my stop loss is that far below. And here the candle range is, PRPL is the second leading gapper, gapping up 41%. Let me see, 7 cents average range and 3 cents. So I'm down here and changing these. So 3 and 7, I kind of go halfway, like in between, just somewhere. It doesn't really matter too much. Actually, I got to do this first. Quit talking and actually get this done so we can break down the charts. Someday I'll make a video explaining how all of this works. And someday I hope to be able to release it to the public, because it is some really great software that I've created. I just don't have it ready for public use yet. Okay, so back up to the charts. So all we have are these 3 charts today. There is nothing else that looked decent. So the other computer over here will lie dormant with nothing on it. So I better hurry up. I've got 2 minutes to go till the market opens. We have a pivot right here. I'll try to do this quickly. We're breaking below that pivot actually right now. So there's a support down here. Bulls have a lot of room to work with. You do have a pivot right there, 1423-ish. I'll put another, I'm actually going to put my line there at 1450. So anything above 1216 is a higher low. Bulls pulled back quite a ways here, so at the very least I would expect an equilibrium. I wouldn't expect to move straight back up through the highs. Although weird, wild things can happen right at the open. Stair-stepping up on PRPL with higher lows and higher highs. We have an uptrend on that. Pulling back, consolidating now on the 15. It's an hourly inside bar right there. So looking for an equilibrium, possibly. May see further consolidation on this one. It has been making its move up all morning long, so probably due for some sort of consolidation. We are getting some now. Bull break here. Bulls couldn't follow through, so now further downside is underway. On the 15-minute, anything above $3.80 is a higher low, kind of. That's an inside bar pattern. I'll call that a support level and a higher low. It's a little one. 30 seconds to go till the market opens. SNTI has been tightening up on a range here with a high, low, lower, high, higher, low, lower, high, bear break, but we still have a tightening range on the larger time frame. Bulls looking for a higher low, want to bottom out down here, maybe around $2 and go back up and break through that level there. We'll see if that happens. Trading below the VWAP, I'm not interested too much in it right now, and it needs to have some more volume come into it. So my game plan is to sit and wait for a little bit. See, we're pulling back now to that 1450 level here. The market is now open. Let's see if we can recapture some profit today and at least maybe hit that daily goal. My daily goal today is 262 doll hairs. All right, so breaking down below the VWAP now on PRPL. I don't know if I want to take a trade off of 450. We've got 20 seconds left till I can actually place a trade. It depends on how this looks, how this candle closes. The range is $1.42. Oh, look at SNTI over there. See what we get here. I'm going to buy there and I'm going to buy over here. Well, my problem yesterday is I was holding things too long and getting stopped out. So that appears to be my problem here again today. I was looking for the break through the VWAP. Didn't get it, unfortunately. So rolling over. I do like the bounce here off of PRPL. Playing it a little too aggressively, I think, in my opinion. I probably shouldn't have jumped in it 3 times there, especially since it already kind of bounced a little. Certainly don't want a big red day on my hands today, but I could be headed for one with the way I'm trading right now. We'll see here. So is this the bottom here for BCAN? Could be. Gonna add right there as it stops me out, and probably gonna come down more now. So not starting out very good today so far. No. Ladies and gents, I think BCAN just got halted. I am stuck in a halt going down. To add insult to injury here. And I'm looking for a break on SNTI. Buy that dip. I want to see it break over 228. There we go. And I'm looking for more after that even. A lot of sellers on the ask. Whole lot of sellers there at 228. So probably going to see it pull back here. I might get stopped out. But I am expecting it to bounce after a pullback if it does. So I'll probably be foolish enough just to add right back again. It was having a lot of problems getting above 228, so I might consolidate and then give it another shot. High red volume, I don't like that. On SNTI is what I'm talking about. I was really hoping I might hit $10,000 today because I was so close yesterday and then had that red day. Right now, I am down, $500-600 on the day. So, okay, let's see if it pulls back. I will add. Okay, there we go. I'm going to buy right there. It's a pretty good drop, but let's see if that's an irrational drop. Buying one time on PRPL and watch that closely. And I'm going to move my targets up on this because if that breaks out, I think it's going to go a lot further. And I'll move my stop loss up. I'm going to add there, a little tight on the stop loss. Not happy about that add spot. I'm adding on PRPL. I'm adding back again on SNTI. Playing it really a lot of buying. Aggressively, that's the word I was looking for. Playing it really aggressively here. I want to see it hit my targets. I'm watching that 5-minute time frame. That's what's got me holding on to this. Selling half over there on PRPL. I'm selling the rest on PRPL. And sell a little bit on SNTI. See if I can buy a dip here. No dip. I wanted it to dip right away. So I added there on a dip. Now let's see if it makes its move back up. Buying PRPL there as it's breaking out. Really crazy price action here. I'm holding SNTI, and I know that's kind of crazy because it could certainly whip back down here and stop me out, and it might. I don't normally hold like this, but I'm giving it a shot because if it does break out, it will be a pretty good win, and I need that today. It's not looking good though. PRPL trying to break out there too. Buying a dip on PRPL. Selling a little more on SNTI. PRPL not moving yet. I'm going to get out of it. Selling the rest on still stuck in this halt over here. So we have a target area of 243 on SNTI, a new 5-minute candle. I want to see if it does pull back, I'll buy a dip on it. I'll buy that dip there. And just selling quick. Just making about $100 or so. So what time did BCAN halted at 6:32? Resumption should have been at 6:37, but I think it's a 10-minute halt now, so wherever it resumes at, I'm going to sell it right away. Whatever loss I take, I take. If PRPL manages to break out here over 388, I'll probably buy that. So resumption on BCAN should be in the next minute. I want to buy PRPL right there, but that's a pretty risky trade. Move my stop loss up really tight on it. And I'll take the profit there when I've got it. Just a quick $50 win. I like a dip buy opportunity here on SNTI. I'm watching BCAN here. Getting ready to sell it as soon as it resumes. Hopefully it's a 10-minute halt and doesn't go into like a 15. There we go, I'm out. So sold it really fast. I didn't want it to get halted again. Do not want to get stuck in another halt. Watching PRPL. This is a risky trade. Bummer. Buying a VWAP dip there. Selling, getting back out, taking my loss down at 228 here. I'll buy it there at 228. I'm adding. I'm also trying PRPL again. Looking for that break. I'm gonna sell everything right there. And I just, I don't know about PRPL. It just doesn't look like it's gonna do it. A new 5-minute candle coming up there on SNTI, so getting back out of it. Could have held that, but with a new 5-minute candle, you never know if you're going to get a bigger pullback. Still watching PRPL. It's an equilibrium. It needs to get over 387 and 388 for me to have any kind of confidence. Selling that right there. I really like SNTI for a breakout here, but I'm going to widen my stop loss out on it now. Look at BCAN getting halted going down again. Glad I'm not in it. Let's see. Nope. So I'm buying this. This is a nice looking pattern. I'm gonna buy this dip here. Also, I'm selling that right there. Let me get back out over here. I'm kind of curious how much money I've made today. I might stop, although the momentum that's happening now is pretty awesome. You see, I bought the dip on that, and now I'm looking for it to make its move back up, and I'll just go ahead and sell it there. I like that. One of my favorite plays is when it breaks out, and then you get that, you know, it breaks out above this resistance, and then it drops back below it for a second. So if you're already in it, you sell it at the breakout, and then when it drops back below, you buy back in again and look for that next move back up through it. Those are my favorite, all-time favorite plays. See if I can buy a dip here. There we go. Just making small profits on that. Let's get rid of some of these lines. I keep meaning to add up my P&L, and then I keep seeing these moves happening. Because I want to see if I should maybe just hang it up for the day. If I'm up good enough, you know, 1421. I'll skip the cents. 1421 minus 340 minus 490. I'm up 591. That's gonna, I think that's gonna put me at, that's gonna put me at $10,000. I like that. Day 20, $10,000. That's $500 a day on average. And that's trading small share size. Now this is the share size I'm going to start with when I go to my live trading, when I'm trading real money. So this is the kind of progress that I can expect to make. And it's getting kind of late in the day anyways. This is about the time I usually knock off. So looks like the momentum is still going, but I'm happy where I'm at. I'm going to stop there knowing that I'm up. What did I say? If I close my calculator out, I think whatever, I'm up over 500 bucks. So thank you for joining me. I hope you made it all the way through this. And if you did, congratulations, because some of these videos can get quite long. So happy trading. Take care of yourself. I will see you back here first thing tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.